Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to flip image in photopea. Let's begin. Go to file, open any image and flip. Select the move tool, transform control and right click this corner, right click, flip horizontally, flip vertically, flip horizontally and again right click, flip vertically. That's it. Or rotate. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.